Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to recreate Sabah Kamar's makeup look. So actually I just have these two pictures because I tried to look for more but I didn't find them. These two screenshots that my follower sent me. So based on that I recreated this look and I think we did pretty okay. So I thought this look was perfect because because of the weather, B, because of the kind of celebrations we're having these days, and I just thought this would be perfect. And like you guys can even wear it to for Eid for that matter, because it's light and dewy and it doesn't shout out to you. So yeah, it's like a neutral full glam, I would say, and I think it was not that hard to achieve and I actually enjoy doing it. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to do it, then please continue watching. But before that, have you subscribed to my channel? If not, then please do subscribe, like, comment and share, and I love you guys so much. Okay, so to begin with, we're gonna just go in with a hydrating primer because as you've seen in the picture, ke uski काफी dewy और soft सी look है, and I personally am going to go in with this Maybelline का primer, and this is Face Studio Prime, and I'm just gonna apply it on my face. Really enjoyed about this look was that I think it's perfect for these summer weddings, and आजकल घरों में शादियाँ हो रही हैं, then on top of that मौसम बहुत ज़्यादा humid है, तो उसके लिए I think this is the perfect look. So I'm just gonna wait for like 2 minutes and let that all just settle in. I'm gonna slightly give my brows a shape using the pencil. कुछ uneven हो जाए या कुछ हो जाए, we don't have to worry about it because हमने अभी fill भी करना है और सब कुछ करना है, then उसके बाद हमने carve भी करनी होती है brows, so just relax. Like I always say, makeup is supposed to be fun, it's supposed to be it's supposed to satisfy you, so please just don't stress out. So I'm gonna go in with my spoolie and I'm gonna brush my brows. कभी भी just don't use a pencil because especially हम लोगों का जैसा यहाँ पे आजकल मौसम है, everything is going to literally just melt away. That always go in with the powder ताकि सब कुछ set रहे. जैसे ही मैं pigment उठाती हूँ अपने ब्रश से, उसको मैं अपनी arch और इस साइड से अप्लाई करना शुरू करती हूँ, एंड देन जब बिल्कुल हल्का सा ब्रश पे रह जाए तो फिर मैं फ्रंट की साइड पे आती हूँ. आई हैव दिस Lancome concealer. I'm just gonna get like a tiny bit on the back of my hand, and then I'm just gonna go in with the concealer brush and carve out my brows. Something as little as this. So this is basically a really good concealer. मुझे नहीं पता ये कैसे designate हो गया है कि ये सिर्फ मेरी brows को carve करने के लिए use होगा. I really don't use it under my eye and stuff like that, even though it's like so nice and thick and full coverage. So I need to figure that out. वो बस आप एक दफ़ा एक चीज़ को किसी चीज़ के लिए use कर लें, then you start enjoying it, and वो उसी में stuck हो जाती है. इसका थोड़ा ऐसा सीन है. I got my eyebrows done after 5 months. I'm just not used to these brows any longer. So our brows are done. I think I'm happy with them. Yeah, I'm happy with them. So I think what I'm actually gonna do today is that I'm gonna start with my face makeup because the eyes are not really that heavy, so we can begin with that today. Our primer अच्छे से set हो गया, so that's why we're just gonna go in with our beauty blender and our foundation. Pro Longwear Nourishing Foundation. You guys can go with any dewy foundation that you guys have. The reason why I've been so late with this second episode of my celebrity transformation video is that well, I was just not having a good week, or like even like 1.5 weeks. I was just like not in the mood. Like I knew I had to shoot a video, I wanted to shoot it, and I know it's work and I know it's commitment, but it's just that also due to corona, it's like I feel like my productivity has gone down to 0, and like I was just having like major mood swings and stuff, so then I couldn't just shoot it. All of us are going through that phase. I mean, at least me and my friends are, that everybody is just done with Mr. Corona by now. I'm wearing a white shirt. Great. I was so good with my skincare and everything in the beginning of this lockdown, and now I'm just like not taking care of it, and it's showing and it's annoying me. But like I told you, I'm just in a phase where I just don't feel like doing anything. So then I'm just gonna prime my eyes real quick. The only thing that lifted my mood during this past week was that I went to Al Fateh and I found out that they had like this amazing sale going on, and then I splurged and bought like makeup, and that's what made me happy. Just gonna set my primed eyes real quick. What I've done is I've primed my eyes and I've set them, but now I'm just gonna finish up my face makeup real quick. So I'm just gonna go in with my cream contour first, and then my blush and my highlight, and you know, jazz it all up. Okay. I think I mentioned in my last video or something that I've lost my liquid eyeliner, and that I tried to look under the bed, under the recliner, and everywhere, and then I just bought a new one. And guess what? I opened up my box of my cream contour sticks, and guess what comes back? Just, can you believe it? Wow. Like, I literally spent like 5 minutes of a day trying to figure out where I kept it. Actually no, I didn't bother that much, because like I was like, I'll just get a new one. But Al Fateh ke bhi sare sections band the makeup shakeup ke, so that's why I was just like, what the hell. Well, I turned out we didn't have a problem at all. I know I'm gonna regret this later, that, you know, I did not blend out my nose contour first, because I'm just gonna go in with my color corrector first. Then I'm just gonna go in with my concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way, and it's a natural beige. I'm just setting it with my Makeup Forever translucent powder, because I did not feel like baking. Our base is done, our concealer is done, our eyes are primed, our contour is not done because we have not topped it off with a powder. I'm going with my blush, because today I'm just doing everything cream first, so I'm just gonna apply my cream blush from e.l.f. So I'm just gonna go in with my contour powder. You guys like my new nail color? Sis is living through it. Then I'm just gonna go in with my beloved Milani blush. Looks good. So for a highlight similar to the one in the picture, like which is like really dewy and you know, wet. It's giving sort of like a wet look. So uske liye powder, of course, we're not going to use. I'm going to go in with this cream highlight stick that I have, and more on this in my next video, which is going to be a haul video. Oh my god, living for this. This is a new purchase, guys. You guys should also appreciate. Okay. तो अगर मैं डायरेक्ट यूँ इतना ज़्यादा करूँगी तो उसको भी ब्रश से ब्लेंड आउट तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना, लाइक दिस. तो वो एक हार्श लाइन दे रहा है, तो फिर आइदर मूव रियली फास्ट एंड यूज योर फिंगर्स. सो द वे आई एम अप्लाइंग माई हाईलाइटर इज कि मैं अपने ब्लश के थोड़ा सा यहाँ से शुरू होके फिर मैं अपने यहाँ तक जा रही हूँ. I don't personally highlight from here because just not my thing. But if we're trying to copy someone, then we might as well. See, it's like giving such a pretty glow. So since we've done all of that, we can also just apply our lipstick, or should we apply it in the end? I think we should apply it in the end because that brings everything together. So till then you have to live with my half applied lip liner. So I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe, my dirty Morphe 35O. So I'm just gonna go in with this or something. Yeah, this and this in my crease. मैंने पूछा था ईद के क्या प्लान था आप सबके. अभी शुक्र है वैसे इन लोगों ने लॉकडाउन लगा दिया बिकॉज पीपल वर गोइंग क्रेजी एंड लाइक लिटरली आई थिंक इट वाज मंडे रात को 12 बजे लॉकडाउन लगना था, तो 12 बजे तक ऑल द शॉप्स एंड एवरीथिंग वाज ओपन एंड माय मॉम एंड आई वी जस्ट वेंट फॉर अ ड्राइव एंड पीपल वर लाइक going crazy, like the shops were filled and buying shoes and stuff like that, and I was just like pehnne kahan hai, please stay home for just one more month. But I guess that's not gonna happen, so I feel like a new person with my brows done, you know. I'm gonna go in with, okay, I can't decide. Okay, no, I can. I'm gonna go in with this brown and this brown. I'm gonna change my brush. I'm gonna go in with a fluffier one. बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क नहीं करना. सो एक्चुअली उसकी जो दोनों पिक्चर्स हैं वो साइड से हैं, तो इतना क्लियर भी नहीं है, तो जितना जूम इन होके मुझे नज़र आ सकता था मैं वही कर रही हूँ. एंड देन जस्ट प्लेइंग अराउंड. थोड़ा सा मरून शेड, दिस शेड हियर, इट्स लाइक अ ब्राउन एंड मरून का मिक्स. आई एम अप्लाइंग इट इन माई क्रीज. I'm actually gonna go in with this gold eyeliner that I have. I think I purchased it from like the dollar store or something. Now I'm going to top off this eyeliner with this random gold eyeshadow that I have, which is actually my favorite eyeshadow and I think I've had it since forever. इसमें है भी बहुत ज़्यादा बरकत की, ख़त्म ही नहीं होता, मतलब होता है ख़त्म बट मैं उसकी जान नहीं छोड़ती. Okay, that was not a great choice because these were different shades of gold. I'm gonna go in with this one. Okay, so I wet my brush and went in with the same gold shade from my palette, and you can see what was how different it looks now. Finally, we're getting somewhere. Now just slightly tapping it on ताकि और pigment आए. Not tapping बल्कि pressing. With what's already left on my brown wale fluffy brush, and gonna apply it ताकि it blends really well. Now we're talking. Now I'm actually just gonna go in with gold under my eye like so. Go in with brown. We're not going to extend anything, so that looks really pretty. I'm just gonna apply my eyeliner. I'm just gonna go in with my black eye pencil. This is from Urban Decay, I believe. Now I'm just gonna apply my white pencil. Now I'm gonna go back in with my strobing stick, get some on my brush and apply it on my inner corner. Yeah, it's come through. We can see uska color. It's like so yummy. It's like a berry plum. I don't know. It's just a cross between all those. So I'm just gonna, oh wow, I have eyeliner or whatever on my finger. But anyways, so I'm just gonna go in with this shade that I think is almost exactly the same, but it's matte and uska halka sa glossy hai. So we can make it glossy, but I will actually not, because I feel like glosses get everywhere. Oh, khatra ho gaya. I forgot my mascara. I'm just gonna spray my setting spray. I'm gonna quickly go in with my face powder. And I'm also gonna quickly go in with my highlighter again. So yeah, that's it. Our makeup is sort of like done. मैंने क्या कहा दिल में राख हो गया, आशिकों की गली में गजब हो गया, दिन संग गुजरी रातें भी मेरा चैन खो गया, चलो माना मुझे प्यार तगड़ा यार हो गया, मैं चली देखो प्यार की गली, मुझे रोके ना कोई, मैं चली हाँ 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 मेरी जान मुझे। So I just put on this white top, like this is the only sort of, you know, white fancy blouse kind of thing that I had, so I just put it on. Now I'm gonna top it off with a gold dupatta, and then I'm gonna put on some jewelry, make my hair, and let's go. So I know I didn't have like the exact dupatta or the exact top, but you know, we just have to look like. So I've already straightened my hair, and her hairstyle is of the sort ke uski middle parting hai and then a low ponytail. So it's very easy. These are my best friends. She gave them to me to wear on our other best friend's wedding, but I never did that actually. Either make that hairstyle or you can just like keep it open like I will, because I don't think that suits me. But if it suits you and if it's your cup of tea, then please continue. And yeah, and I think we did pretty okay. I think we did a good job actually, and I hope that you guys recreate this look. You can wear it on Eid even, and if you do let me know and tag me in your pictures and everything. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good Eid. Love you guys so much.